Public health experts are beginning to call for an end to outdoor mask mandates. KRON 4's Maureen Kelly talked to one doctor who's written to both the state and the city's public health department advocating that Californians be allowed to ditch their masks outside now.
Putting a mask on before leaving the house has become part of our daily routines. But Dr. Monica Gandhi, a UCSF infectious disease expert, says because studies are showing it's so much safer out in the fresh air, we should be able to skip it.
There was an Irish Times study from Ireland that showed about 1 in 1,000 transmissions are likely to occur outside. And then there was a meta-analysis done by some people at UCSF that showed the rate of getting COVID-19 outside is much lower. Why? Because you have all that ventilation.
She says the World Health Organization only advocates wearing a mask outside if you are unable to keep a distance of 3 feet from other people.
That it's not in crowded rallies where people are yelling and they're around each other. That's the time to wear masks right now. But outdoors more when you're like outdoor exercising, you're passing each other on the street, you're hanging out at a park and you're hanging out with your friends. There's no reason to wear a mask at that point, given the biology.
But another UCSF infectious disease expert, Dr. George Rutherford, doesn't believe the mask mandate should be lifted just yet.
I think it's 42% of Californians have had at least one dose. So we got a ways to go here. I think once we get up into the 60s, maybe, in terms of every total proportion of people vaccinated, including people who are ineligible, like children, then we can have this conversation. But between now and then, there's substantial pockets of underimmunization in the state. There are variants around, and I think we need to be careful.
Dr. Rutherford says he doesn't expect us to be wearing masks outside forever, but he does think the mask mandate should stay in place for now and be reassessed in the summer. Maureen Kelly, KRON 4 News.